हाय इट्स लंच टाइम नाउ। आज कुछ अलग खाने का मूड है, हेल्दी भी टेस्टी भी। शार्दुल, क्या आप पिज्जा खाना पसंद करोगे? ओके, लेट्स मेक अ हेल्दी पिज्जा, वॉच मी नाउ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, लेट्स मेक अ हेल्दी पिज्जा। वाओ, प्रीति ने इतनी जबरदस्त तैयारी करके रखी है मेरे लिए। सो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ सॉल्ट, पेपर, चाट मसाला एंड ब्लैक सॉल्ट इज रेडी। और इसी के साथ यहाँ पे है मशरूम्स, यहाँ पे है ग्रेटेड बॉइल्ड सोयाबीन्स, यहाँ पे है मोज़रेला चीज़, यहाँ पे है कॉलीफ्लावर विच इज़ ग्रेटेड, बहुत बढ़िया, वाओ, ऑल हेल्दी, ओनियन, capsicum, wow, it's really homemade chili flakes. We have got pudina, and this is awesome base which is of eggs. We have got 6 eggs ready. We have got tomatoes. We have got homemade chili sauce. We have got chili sauce, again a different variety, and chili chutney. So all these things we are going to have coconut oil and cheese as the base. Wow, really excited. Now see the process how we are going to make it. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, that's coconut oil, and we are going to have we'll wait for it to get heated. The gas is already on, and now I am putting in some mushrooms. Now some onions, capsicums, yeah, now I'm going to fry the soybean, grated soybean. Now frying the cauliflower. Let's mix it well and let's fry it, shallow fry for 2 minutes. Shallow fry it for 2 minutes and it's happening. Now add some chili flakes while frying it, so that the taste comes inside. Yes, now it's fried and I am removing it in a pan. वाओ, व्हाट अ मिक्सचर। यस, अभी हम थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल ले रहे हैं। अभी हम बेस बनाने वाले हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द एग फॉर इट। टू ऐड द सोयाबीन कॉलीफ्लावर मिक्सचर टू इट। वाओ, वंडरफुल। Mozzarella cheese to it, and I'm going to spread it evenly to the entire base. Then the mushrooms and the onion mixture. Few tomato pieces. Then a little bit of chutney, chili chutney. Basil leaves and tulsi leaves, a little bit of chili flakes, again green chili chutney. Just keep shaking it a little bit so that we can remove it on a pan. And my pizza is actually getting ready now. I am so excited. Shardul is so excited to have this pizza. Yeah, little bit of tomato ketchup. Yes, the pizza is ready and I'm removing it on a dish now. Yes, and the pizza is ready. Let's see how it looks. Yes, and the pizza is ready. Shardul, please come and eat it.
Yummy.